gals. I'm Rufus Stadol. I am 42 years old. I'm from Boise, Idaho. I worked in a potato factory for 23 years. I currently work in Tijuana at Dee Dee's Donkey Show as the cleanup boy. Felatio! Swing, bada, bada, swing, 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 swing. I'm the cleanup boy there. I enjoy playing chess and betting money on underground cockfights. When I'm not at work, you can find me at the local BP store, playing Keno and eating almond Snicker bars. Swing, bada, bada, swing, fellatio, Frankenstein. My favorite movies are Brokeback Mountain and the Hannah Montana Miley Cyrus movie. Let's see, I have a sock fetish. I like to buy my socks at Value City. If you don't like socks, then don't respond to this ad. Swing back, cunnilingus, cunnilingus. I don't wear underwear, and I am hung like a pen cap. Have no fear, ladies. I'm real good with the tongue. Twinkies. Like I said, on the side, I like to go to Romania, and I do a little vampire hunting. Yeah, I know, pretty cool, right? On the weekends, I kind of like to dance with myself. Before I go to bed at night, I kind of like to count my fingers and count my toes, make sure they're all there and everything. Nazis! Nazis! Cunnilingus! Cunnilingus! I'm looking for a short-term or long-term relationship. Doesn't matter either way. So, you know, if you ladies out there are interested, just you know, get up with me. Again, if you would like to maybe go out on a date with me, you can get a hold of me by calling the number 1-800. The Russians are coming. Swing, bada bada, swing, swing, swing. Oh, cunnilingus. Cunnilingus. Shit.